This is the worst ever paint job I ever seen. I think the guy did not even put body filler, nothing. I don't know how we can even call this paint job.
What is it?
Nothing.
Picture?
Nothing. The worst paint job ever. Look at this. What is this? Seriously? And this is a tank. And this one is under the tank. My God. And then they call it paint. Excellent quality. The guy even don't know what's body filler, I guess.